In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to Shopify website. Keywords help search engines understand what your store pages are about. When you use keywords in the right places, you can improve how your site appears in search results. In this tutorial, you will update your site's title and meta description, which are two important areas for search visibility. You will be doing this inside your Shopify admin, so make sure you are logged in and ready to make changes. First, click Online Store. This is where you manage the main storefront settings. After you click it, you should see options related to how your store looks and functions. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section before moving on. This matters because the settings you need are not in the product area or the customer area. They are part of your storefront configuration. Next, click Preferences. You will usually find preferences inside the online store area, and it is the place where Shopify keeps key metadata settings. Before you edit anything, it is helpful to know that the Preferences screen includes fields that control what search engines see when they crawl your site. That means your title and meta description here can influence what people notice in search results. Now find the title and meta description. Look for the section where Shopify shows the store's page title and the meta description text. The title is the line that often appears as the main headline in search results, while the meta description is the short summary underneath. When you are searching for these fields, focus on the labels so you do not accidentally edit something else. If you see a text box for the title and another for the meta description, you are in the correct location. After you have found title and meta description, you can add your keywords. Start with the title field. You want to include relevant keywords that match what people would search for when looking for your products or your brand. For example, choose phrases that describe your store and your main offerings. The goal is to keep the title clear and readable, not stuffed with too many words. Aim for a natural sentence-like structure, where the keywords fit smoothly. Next, update the meta description. This description should also include your keywords, but it should remain a helpful summary for shoppers. Think of it as a short preview of what the store offers. Include keywords that reflect the value of your store, such as what type of products you sell, what makes your store useful, or the key benefits customers care about. Make sure the description is still engaging and understandable. Even though search engines use it, real people also read it, so clarity matters. As you add keywords, take a moment to review what you have written in both fields. Check that the wording makes sense and that the keywords are relevant to your storefront. If your store has multiple product categories, focus on the most important themes you want search engines to associate with your site. Also, make sure you do not remove anything important that Shopify automatically includes, unless you are intentionally customizing the text. Finally, click Save. This step is essential because changes do not take effect until you confirm them. After saving, Shopify may update the stored settings right away, but it can still take time for search engines to refresh their indexes. That means you may not see immediate changes in search results, but your updates are in place and will be recognized during crawling. And that covers everything you need to know. By clicking Online Store, opening Preferences, updating the title and meta description with relevant keywords, and clicking Save, you are making a meaningful improvement to how your Shopify website can appear in search.